Have you ever wondered what would happen if you accidentally swallowed a watermelon seed? Let's explore the truth behind this common myth and uncover what really occurs inside your body. Contrary to popular belief, consuming watermelon seeds is generally harmless. In fact, they are packed with essential nutrients like protein, fiber, and healthy fats. However, there are a few things you should know if you find yourself in this situation. Step 1. Ingestion. When you accidentally swallow a watermelon seed, it travels down your esophagus and into your stomach, just like any other food you eat. Step 2. Digestion. Your stomach acids begin to break down the seed, extracting the nutrients it contains. However, unlike other foods, watermelon seeds have a tough outer shell that may not completely dissolve during digestion. Step 3. Passing through the intestines. The remaining parts of the seed, along with other waste materials, move through your intestines. Here's where things get interesting. Many people worry that watermelon seeds will sprout and grow inside them. However, this is simply not true. Your digestive system is designed to break down and eliminate foreign objects, preventing any chance of germination. That said, passing undigested seeds through your digestive tract can sometimes cause discomfort, such as mild stomach cramps or bloating. But rest assured, this discomfort is temporary and typically resolves on its own. Pro tip: stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water can help ease any discomfort and aid in the digestion process, ensuring that the seeds pass through your system smoothly. So, the next time you accidentally swallow a watermelon seed, remember, there's no need to panic. Your body is well equipped to handle it. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more informative content.